This product ships in packaging that reveals what's inside and cannot be hidden. Transition from playtime to naptime with the Disney Junior Music Lullabies Lovey Blankies 2-piece bingo rolly set. Made with super soft fabrics. Perfect for snuggling. Collect your favorite characters, Bingo Rolly and Doc McStuffins Lambie. Ages newborn plus. Transition from playtime to naptime with the Disney Junior Music Lullabies Lovey Blankies 2-piece bingo rolly set. Your baby will love these Lovey Blankies featuring favorite Disney Junior Music Lullabies characters. These blanket plush pals feature the sweet faces of Bingo and Rolly from Puppy Dog Pals. Made with super soft fabrics, these blanket plush are perfect for comforting your little one. Each blanket even has an adorable shooting star pattern. This 2-piece set is perfect for bringing your child's love of Puppy Dog Pals to naptime. Ages newborn plus. Top reviews from the United States. It's super obvious to people that read the description or watch Disney Junior. Disney Junior Music Lullabies is the series on Disney Junior that the stylization of these characters is from. Nothing on the listing says that these play music. The people rating 1 star just don't know how to read and evidently don't watch Disney Junior.